Number 58. How many triangles are there in the given figure? How many triangles are there in the given figure? Option A 9, option B 12, option C 11, option D 13. Okay, here given one triangle, one figure given. Okay, now how many of triangles are there? First of all, inside of a triangle. Inside of a triangle, how many of? 1. Okay, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, how many of triangles? 9. 9 triangles are there. Okay, outer triangle is 1. Outer triangle is 1. Okay, now this is one of the triangle which is 1, 2, 3, 4 makes one triangle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It makes one triangle. Okay, it makes one triangle. Next step up. This is also one of the triangle. 2, 5, 6, 7. 2, 5, 6, 7. This is also one of the triangle. And more one. This is also one of the triangle. Okay, 4, 7, 8, 9. 4, 7, 8, 9. It is also makes one triangle. How many of? 1, 2, 3. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. How many of triangles there in the given figure? 13. So option D is the correct answer. Next problem. Problem number 59. What is 14 times of 6? What is 14 times of 6? 14 into 6. 14 6 are 84. 14 6 are 84. That is a 14 times of 6 equal to 84. So option C is the correct answer. 1/5 of 40 books are kept in a bag. Then how many books are left outside the bag? Okay, the total number of books are there 40. 1/5. 1/5. So 1/5 of total number of books 40. 40. These books are kept in a bag, inside a bag. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40. So how many books? 8 books. Okay, 8 books are there in a bag. 5 books in a bag. 5 books are there in a bag. Total number of books 40. Okay, in a bag. Okay, in a bag. Here what asking the name? How many number of books are left outside the bag? Okay, outside the bag. Outside the bag number of books 40 minus 8. 40 minus 8 equal to 32. 40 minus 8 equal to 32. 32 number of books are outside the bag. Outside the bag. How many? 32. Option D is the correct answer. 32 books. Next problem. What will be the next number? Here given series 113, 116, 119, 122. Okay, after next number what is? What will be the next number? Okay, here 1113, 116, 119. Okay, 122. Okay, here observe the difference between the series. 116 minus 113, here 3. Okay, 3 difference. Here 116 comma 119, 3 is different. Here 119 comma 122, 3 is different. So simple. 113 plus 3, 116. 116 plus 3, 119. 119 plus 3, 122. Okay, 122. Okay, 122 plus 3 equal to 125. Okay, next number what will come? 125. Okay, option A is correct answer. Okay, now how many bottles of 250 ml can be filled by 2 liters of milk? 2 liters of milk. 2 liters. 2 liters equal 2 into 1 liter. 2 into 1 liter. 2 into 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Okay, now what? 2000. 2 into 1000. 2000 ml. 2000 ml. Total quantity. Okay, 2000 ml. Okay, for each bottle 250 ml. Okay, total 2000 ml by, okay, in each bottle 250 ml. This is equal to the number of bottles. Number of bottles. Okay, number of bottles. The number of bottles equal to 2000 milliliter by 250 ml. Okay, 0 0 get cancel. Okay, 5 5s are 25. Okay, 5 4s are 20. 0 as it is. Okay, 5 1s are 5. 5 8s are 40. Okay, number of bottles are 8. Number of bottles are 8. Option B is correct answer. Next problem. With how many lines? How many lines the given figure can be divided into two exactly equal parts? Two exactly equal parts. Okay, here based on this given figure, okay, opposite points. Here one line. Okay, here divide into two equal parts. Okay, two lines. Okay, two lines. Next opposite points are three lines. This is a common point. Okay, now draw more one line, opposite points. Okay, okay, one line, the second line, two lines. Okay, third line. Okay, fourth line. So totally how many of lines are? Totally 4 lines. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, next problem. Here given one table, grade and tally marks. The first column grade, the second column tally marks, grade A, B, C. For grade A, tally marks, how many of 4? 4 lines given. Okay, in grade B, 3 lines given. In grade C, 2 lines given. Okay, question. The above table represents the number of students who secured A, B, C grades in tally marks. Then the total number of students. The total number of students in that class. In that class, total number of students. Okay, for grade A. For grade A, here 4. For grade B, 3. For grade C, 2. Okay, should add 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 plus 2. 4 plus 3 plus 2. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So our answer is 9. Option D is correct answer. problem. Here given one table, grade and tally marks. The first column grade, the second column tally marks, grade A, B, C. For grade A, tally marks, how many of 4? 4 lines given. Okay, in grade B, 3 lines given. In grade C, 2 lines given. Okay, question. The above table represents the number of students who secured A, B, C grades in tally marks. Then the total number of students. The total number of students in that class. In that class, total number of students. Okay, for grade A. For grade A, here 4. For grade B, 3. For grade C, 2. Okay, should add 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 plus 2. 4 plus 3 plus 2. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So our answer is 9. Option D is correct answer. Okay. Problem number 65. A tonic bottle contains 60 ml of medicine. How much medicine will be there in 15 such tonic bottles? Okay, in each tonic bottle the value is 60 ml. Okay, one bottle. Okay, in one bottle the value is 60 ml. 60 ml of value in one bottle. Okay, how many of bottles? 15. 15 bottles. 15 bottles. Okay, how much value? We don't know, so let x ml, milliliters. Okay, one cross multiplication, 1 into x. 1 into x equals to, okay, 60 into 15. Okay, 15 into 60. 1 into x, x only. Okay, 15 6 are 90. Okay, 0 as it is I am writing. So 900 ml. Therefore, x equal to 900 ml. Okay, how much value in 15 such tonic bottles? 900 milliliters. So our correct answer option B. Option B is the correct answer, 900 milliliters. Next, problem number 66. If this symbol equal to 7, then how much the value of this total symbols? Okay, for each symbol value 7. Okay, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay, how many of the symbols are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 symbols are there. Okay, for each symbol value 7. Okay, 6 7 are 42. So our answer is 42. So option C is the correct answer, 42. Okay, next problem. Problem number 67. Dash into 500 ml is equal to 2 liters. Okay, simple. Okay, here the fill in the blank should write x, let x. Okay, we don't know the value of fill in the blank. Okay, x into 500 ml. 500 ml equal to 2 liters. Okay, 2 liters. Okay, 2 into 1 liter. 2 into 1 liter. Okay, x into 500 as it is I am writing. X into 500. Okay, this 2 liters, okay, convert into milliliter for easily cutting. Okay, 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. 1000 milliliters. Okay, on left side 2 zeros, On right side, 2 zeros get cancelled. 2 zeros get cancelled. Okay, remaining 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So x into 1, x only. Okay, milliliter also get cancelled. Okay, 2 2s are 4. So therefore x equal to 4. Therefore x equal to 4. So answer is option A is correct answer. Option A is correct answer. Okay, next problem. Problem number 68. What can be measured by using centimeters or meters? Which is measured by use of the centimeters or meters. Okay, the length is measured by centimeters or meters. Okay, so option A is correct answer. But what is the unit of weight? Grams, kilograms. What is the unit of temperature? Degrees Celsius. What is the unit of money? Of course, in our country, in India, the unit of money is rupees. Okay, rupees. So our answer is the length by using the centimeters or meters. Option A is the correct answer. Next, problem number 69. 2 kgs plus dash grams equal to 2450 grams. Okay, here blank is given. Okay, 2 kgs. 2 blank is given. So let x. We don't know the value. Okay, it is an unknown value. Okay, let x. Okay, x grams. Okay, x grams equal to 2450 grams. See here kilograms given, here grams, here also grams. So we should convert the kilograms into grams. Okay, 2 kgs. 2 kgs. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Okay, I am writing 2000 grams. Okay, 2 into 1000, 2000 grams plus x grams equal to 2450 grams. 2450 grams. Okay, these are all values are converted into grams only. Okay, now x grams equal to okay 2450. Okay, 2450. Okay, 2000. Okay, transform into right hand side. So it definitely the symbol is changed. So positive changes to negative. So what 2000? Okay, 2000. Okay, now what 2450 minus 2000 is equal to 450. Equal to 450 grams. Equal to 450. Therefore x equal to 450 grams. Therefore x equal to 450 grams. So our correct answer, option D is the correct answer. Option D is correct answer, 450 grams. Next problem. Problem number 17. What is the value? What is the place value? What is asking? What is the place value of 8? The place value of 8 in this number. What is given number? 489. Okay, in this 489, we know very well the place values. Okay, this is the ones place, this is the tens place, this is the 100 place. But here asking the place value of 8. The place value of 8. Okay, the place value of 8. Okay, that 8 into. Okay, the place value of 8 tens place. It is the tens place. So I am writing 10. So 10 8 or 8 10 80. So answer is the 80. Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. The place value of 8 in 489 is 80. Thank you students for watching my channel.